Welcome to this video guide on Python memory and I/O. We'll be exploring how Python manages variables, object references, and handles console input and output. Unlike languages that use containers, Python uses a tag-based system. Variables in Python are simply names that point to objects in memory. The object itself holds the data type. When naming variables, remember to follow Python's rules. Letters and underscores are allowed, and digits can be used after the first character. Always avoid reserved keywords, and remember that variable names are case-sensitive. Python offers flexibility in how you assign values, from basic assignment to dynamic typing, where a variable can be reassigned to a new object of a different type entirely. The core of Python's memory model is the object reference. When you assign a value, Python creates the object in memory and then binds the variable name to reference that specific object. Creating a shared reference is simple. If you assign one variable to another, Python doesn't duplicate the object. Instead, both variables simply point to the same existing object in memory. Reassignment breaks these links. If you change a variable, Python points that tag to a new object, leaving the previous object and any other variables referencing it completely unaffected. Objects without any variables referencing them are considered orphaned. Python's automatic garbage collection cleans these up. You can also explicitly remove a variable using the del keyword. For output, the print function is essential. It evaluates expressions and displays them to the console, automatically separating multiple items with a space. When it comes to input, Python's input function captures user data as a string. Always remember that any information entered by a user is treated as text by default. To perform calculations on input, use typecasting. By wrapping the input function in "int" or float, you can convert the string into a numeric type suitable for math. You can process multiple inputs at once, using the split method. It breaks a single string input into separate parts based on spaces, which can then be assigned to multiple variables. A very handy pattern is the Pythonic swap. Because Python manages references, you can swap the values of two variables in a single line without needing a temporary variable. Python also allows for inline operations. You can call functions, like calculating the length of a string, and assign that result to a variable, all in one efficient step. To wrap up, remember these key points about variable rules, object references, and input/output syntax to streamline your Python coding experience.